Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey yo, what's up guys? It's
Little Zed
and Big Man up in this bitch.
I'm on my tippy toes. I can't see.
He's on his tippy toes.
Not big, please.
Sorry guys, I don't have my tripod on today, but
Yeah, because he's lazy.
alright, we've got a little bit of an update car vlog. They're called turbo whistles. These get put onto the car. We started to see if we can install it before showing you guys, and we can. So
we're Gucci. But we tested it out, you know, it sounds like a little whistle, but... no, let me do it.
No, hang on. Let's put you guys over here. Oh, shoot. You know what? You can hold it.
I'll flip this thing back in, cuz. I'm a photographer by day, don't worry.
So... Oh, it's still blowing. See, it's really loud.
There we go. It's very loud.
It's like a turbo, so when you go... And obviously with the... What's called? I don't know if your ear's ringing, but...
No, my ear's not. It's just probably you ripping.
Careful you don't.
Yeah, no, I've got
yeah, so with the car noise, it probably will sound like a turbo. Yeah, we'll probably find out together. Let's get the installment.
Bye-bye.
Do a rev test. Alright, get back up.
Say my name, say my name. I thought we were starting the video already.
Yeah, no, it's not
That's why I'm like, say my name.
Now we're talking.
Okay.
Here.
That's all you. But my neck is like bent halfway degrees.
Alright guys, that's the time lapse of me like trying to that was legit a fail right there. I tried to put it in, it didn't really work.
That was my video.
That he recorded it thanks to him, he was on the floor.
I zoomed in 100 times. SDM and Simon. Link in the description.
You're done.
Can we put that in?
No. No. Anyways, the second one's in. We're gonna do a rev test right now.
Watch them fall out. I'm just saying.
Anyways, we're gonna do a rev test for now, and yeah, we'll just get straight into that, yeah?
Bye bye.
Ready?
Okay, we're back. Sash, stick your head out the car first. Hey, okay.
One.
Take it off comfort mode.
And we'll put efficiency.
I don't think he can hear you.
Not yet. Do you hear anything or not?
Nah.
Wow, I'm actually surprised.
I didn't hear anything.
I feel like
I feel like I had nothing from there, but then like a lot from there.
What do you mean a lot?
Like nothing. Like didn't hear anything.
Like exhaust sound?
Yep, none.
You reckon it's covered?
I reckon it's covered because you can't hear anything. But there, I'm literally hearing from that ear. I'm hearing a lot of that, but then that it's like nothing.
Actually?
That's it.
Alright, let's start it up again, and I want you to rev it, just so, because I don't want to break the car.
Salmon.
But if the thing is too big, I don't want to do it.
Okay, but
I just think the videos are fail, we're not going to do it over here.
Salmon. And then we have to make a video now.
No, we don't.
Smashing people's windscreens.
We can still say it.
Smashing people's windscreens. Why did I say that? Sash, stick your head out the window first. I'm not revving it.
Yeah, just press the accelerator a little bit, that's lightly.
Oh yeah. You say lightly, I'm gonna floor it.
Good that.
Oh, okay, buddy, we are back.
Call the booty.
But we.
Call that booty.
Hey, PG. Wait, stick your head out. It's tradition.
Record the booty.
It's blurry. It's bruh. Come on, bruh.
Record the booty.
Bruh, I'm finna put the clap of this camera, bruh. Bruh, why? My ear. You need to put warning on this video, man.
Oh my god, let it crackle. You would have died.
Mate, you need to put warning on the video. Don't let it crackle, please. Sash, I'm deaf now. I'm deaf.
Last one.
Oh, okay, buddy. My ears.
Last one. We're going to say the last one. I don't think this is gonna work.
This camera's annoying me though.
Oof.
It's blurry, man. How if we do that and then bang? Oh, I'm so not smart. No, it's still blurry. Look how blurry it is.
Yeah, why the hell's it blurry now?
Yeah, I know. It's annoying me. Like, can we finna back clap that camera bar? We need to clap that camera bar. Where's my phone bar? Symphony, and I've been around.
Yeah, hold it.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Alright, time to do the other one. If it doesn't work,
It's a waste of money and time.
no, brother. I want that to go around the street.
I just saying. And then you're driving, one falls off. Wait. Oh, wait.
Who cares?
Yeah, that's gonna be
Honestly,
funny.
who cares at that point?
You installing the other one? I'm gonna get right into this one though. Like, bro, I'm gonna get right into ya. Like, bruh, like we're gonna fin about the
I heard no fuel just dripped in my eye.
Trip
Rest
too
in peace,
hard,
my
no,
eye.
stay. Move your head. Your head's in my way. I'm trying to film my photography here.
It's so funny.
Thank you.
Bro, I think I should give it a bath too. What do you reckon?
No,
It looks like it needs a bath.
yeah, that's
Right,
next video.
Yeah, next video.
Bang, that's content.
Content.
Washing a car.
Washing
Washing a car gone wrong.
Yeah, gone wrong, gone
Clickbait.
viral.
Clickbait, clickbait.
Engine exploded. Yes.
A little bit too far, but don't worry.
See? But look how much force it needs, eh? Look how much force it needs. Look, like if I just go,
That's
oh, yeah, that's
nothing.
good enough, isn't it?
But you can't hear anything. Okay, now do
That's
blow straight into it now then.
That's like 20, 30, let's say 45%, 50% power into that.
Bro, what is your 100% like this? Bro, relax, man. Alright guys, this is just a little Zam's channel at the moment. Until Big Man comes back with his ultra defensive haircut.
Bro, and I still clap your cheek. Oh my god.
Back, PG, Sash. Very.
Wait, was I using the wrong screw? Oh my god.
No, it's tough in there, isn't it?
I could have used the small one. I used this short. I used the long one.
What's the... Oh my god, the camera. Gimme.
I used the short one. I used the long one instead of the short one.
Okay, mate, yeah, we need a new camera.
Why?
We need to invest in a new camera.
Is it blurry?
Yeah. We should invest in a new camera.
But then it comes alright.
It comes right, yeah. There's your screw back. Okay, we're back, guys. Oh,
Hey, a quick pun for you guys. Screw yous. Sorry.
PG Sash. Bro.
Hey, let's play carpenter. I'll hammer. I know I can't say that. Tell you later. Do you know the joke?
Nah.
We'll get.
Don't
we'll
say
get
it. Don't
hammered.
say it.
We'll get hammered, then I'll nail you. But this one fits in better. These two fat in. I don't know if that's a
English?
word. I
Fat
don't
in?
know.
Fit
These
in.
both fit in properly. This one, look, they're both on the angle, the middle ones, but the side ones are like perfectly in. Have you noticed that? Look, that's me actually.
Can you like rip it out?
No, I think because these are both long screws and these two are small screws.
I'll just see how it goes
No,
with
no.
four. Okay.
No, it can't be because. No.
Okay, so you just chomp chomp.
Whoa, was that racist?
No. Chomp chomp chomp. It's a song.
By who?
By Lil.
Zam Big Man, go check out Childish Fool.
No, oh my gosh. No, it's by Lil JMT. I don't know. It's a good song though. Do you want to hear it?
No.
It's like 10 bands in my hand, 10 bands in my hand. I don't sleep with the Zan. Someone will know. I know you guys will watch it. Some of my friends do. Oscar B.
Your only friend?
Quick.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
karma. See that? Yeah.
Alright, done.
Okay, don't rev it. Don't crackle it.
It's hard enough to crack. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm kinda scared, dog.
Do you want a video or do you want me?
Yeah, let's go. Let's look at video content, engine blowing up.
Okay, buddy. I just stepped on your pliers and that hurt my foot.
This is why you have to be a mechanic and wear the good stuff. You have to slide.
Gucci flip flops.
Gucci flip flop. Yeah, stop.
Yeah, you can't really. PG.
Ready?
No. I can't.
Wait.
Oh no.
You hear it a bit?
Do it again. No. A little bit. I can hear it. They probably can't hear it, but I can hear it a little bit. Bro, it's smoking. Come out. What it is? It's smoking, bro. Like full on.
Yeah, it's normal. That's not full on.
But it smells
Like fuel.
it smells good.
Are you ready?
Not too hard, you break my ears, I'm throwing the camera at your head.
Alright.
Oh, you have to block the number plate out, by the way.
I'm getting the new ones on.
Don't worry, you still block it out.
Why? I'm getting the new
Bah!
ones. Legit, the end,
Block it out, come.
the end of the week, brother.
Bah, throw this spanner at your head.
Guys?
You. Ah, so when's it getting posted?
Alright, so not going to be posted on the 25th of August, going to be posted on the 26th.
What day is it today? What day is
Today's
it?
Monday, it's going to be posted
The
on Tuesday. Here we go.
No, that's a good idea. You go past the street.
Yeah. Because you can hear it a bit.
You can hear it a bit, and that's revving. That's on the spot as well.
Yeah.
So
If it's actually full throttle, I reckon you would hear it.
yeah,
easy.
just let me see you turn around. No, not yeah. Mitsubishi, please sponsor us. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Keep going.
Anyways. Alright guys, Peter, you ready?
Yeah.
Ice, okay, the ice is like...
No,
it was in here for...
why did I say yeah?
It was like, you know, if you know what I mean, like... You know, we left it here for a little bit,
Pop,
so...
I don't even want to touch it. Like,
It's kind of cold, but it kind of feels kind of cool. But, I don't know
it feels
what...
cool because of the ice, but otherwise I'm gonna get my head.
Alright, let's get into it right now, yeah?
Crazy, man, I don't want to do.
Hopefully this light will turn on, because that will be in our favour. Bang! Bring the bucket here, mate! Bring the bucket here, mate! His eye's actually melting that quickly. I'm actually surprised it's melting that quickly. Alright, who cares? Bring it.
It's cold.
Exactamundo, mate.
Oh, what is your fucking side? Oh my god.
Let's put the camera here. Will that work? Yeah, that'll work. Come on, Peter. I forgot. Tell her I'm just kidding.
Oh, but it's freezing, my man. Oh, look at you. Like,
Oh my, it's actually so much in here.
You're so dumb.
You're gonna drown. Stop. Alright, let's see if you're in frame.
Oh, no, cut that out. Cut that out. I went like this.
Sorry. Go on your knees.
No.
I'll put your head out like that so I can chuck it over you. It's better. Should I give you a t-shirt?
No, I don't need to. Go.
It's gotta go on
Go.
you. On you.
Go.
On you.
Go. No, don't. Actually, wait. Go.
Hi.
No, wait.
Is your phone on you?
Oh, shit. I don't think so.
Okay.
It's on by no one.
5,
Go from 10.
4,
No, go from 10.
3.
Don't be bitch. Don't drop the bucket on me.
I'm not.
Don't.
10, 9, 8, 7.
I'm freezing.
Huh?
I'm freezing.
You want to tell?
Why'd you have to do it on a cold day as well, man?
I'll grab your towel. That's actually hilarious. Like, that's actually good. Here you go, Peter.
Just bubble on me.
Bang! Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like,
Unsubscribe.
subscribe,
Unsubscribe.
smash the subscribe button.
Oh, I need that water.
Comment down below.
I'm wearing a jacket. It's so saggy.
Guys, see you next time. Bang! Roll the outro. Bang!